Okay.
Okay, so for point of view is literally the place from which you view something. It includes what you're looking at and the way you are seeing it. It says, make sure you understand the limitations of your point of view and that you fully consider other relevant viewpoints instead of just considering your own. Some questions to check your viewpoint are, how am I looking at the situation? Is there another way to look at it that I should consider? Or have you considered the way another person might view this? And for purpose is, your purpose is your goal, your objective, what you're trying to accomplish. We also use the term to include functions, motives, and intentions. You should be clear about your purpose, and your purpose should be justifiable. Some questions that target purpose are, what is the purpose of this meeting, and what did you say, and what is the purpose of education, would be examples of this.
Okay, so I had a question at issue. The question lays out the problem or issue and the guide of thinking. When the question is vague or thinking will lack clarity and distinctness. And some of the questions that target that would, what is the question that I'm trying to answer, and is there a better way to put the question? And then information. Information includes the facts, data, evidence, or experiences that we use to figure things out. It does not necessarily imply accuracy or correctness. And then those questions to target information. Do we need to gather more information? Is there information relevant to our purpose or goal?
Who's next?
Not me.
You, I believe.
So I guess I'll start at, because I had assumptions. So, correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here the question lays out the problem or issue, and it guides our thinking. When the question is vague, our thinking will lack clarity and distinctness. So whatever questions there are, they should be clear and precise enough to productively guide our thinking. So just some questions to ask, like, what is the question I am trying to answer, or what important questions are embedded in the issue? And the second one that I had was implications and consequences. Implications are claims or truths that logically follow from other claims or truths. Implications follow from thoughts. Consequences follow from actions. So implications are inherent in your thoughts, whether you see them or not. The best thinkers think through the logical implications in a situation before acting. So some questions we can ask about implications are, if I decide to do X, what things might happen, or if I decide not to do X, what things might happen. That's it for me.
Okay, so for information includes facts, data, evidence, or experiences we use to figure out things, and it does not necessarily imply accuracy or correctness. The information you use should be accurate to relevant and relevant to the question or issue you are addressing. So some questions that can be used to gather information could be, have you left out any important information that we need to consider, as well as what data are relevant to this problem. And the last element of thought is interpretation and inference. Inferences and interpretations or conclusions you come to inferring is what the mind does in figuring something out. Some questions to check inferences could be, what conclusions am I coming to, and is my inference logical?